Hi guys, this is Benny and Buddy and I'm Doug the Carnivore. Taking the boys out for a walk in this windy day. It's not cold out, but it's windy. Really windy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, buddy. Let's go. Never mind dawdling along, you two. Let's go. Papa got things to do today. Buddy. Come on, buddy. Buddy likes to smell everything. Boy, it was so hot last night in that damn apartment and dry. Terrible. And if you open up the windows, you freeze because it's cold. It was cold last night, folks. Come on, buddy. Let's go.